All right, boys and girls. What I'd like to do with you today, right here, is go over your homework on 10.2. So we could go over 10.1, but I think you guys probably got that really well. And if you don't, you made a sign error. One thing I would like also to make sure is that you are, in fact, checking your homework in the back of the book. So hold on. Let me pull this up right here. Okay. So look. Let's see. You guys should be able to see this. Yes. So, like, we had to do number one, I through P. Yes, I through P. So, they're all right here. I through P. Now, I think that if you were going to have trouble on any of these, it would be this one right here. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can, I don't know how well you can see that, but it's K. So, that's on page 186. Hold on, let me put a sticker back here so I can find this again later. Oh, hold on. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Okay, there's my sticker. Okay, so page 186. 186. 186. 186. Okay, so check this out. Page 186, K, y equals -3. So the thing you learned in today's lesson, actually, was that this would be a horizontal line, y equals, and x equals a number is a vertical line. So, yeah, that's kind of it right there, okay? So y equals -3. So when you do your t-chart and you're plugging in all your numbers, there's nowhere to write it, right? So, like, for example, you know, you've got y equals, what is it, 3 or -3? -3. Okay, so that's going to go through quadrants 3 and 4. I know for sure, like 1, 2, 3. It's going to go just like this right here. I'll suppose I hit the line, right? 1, 2, 3. It's going to look just like that. And here's why. When you do your t-chart, it already tells you that y equals -3 always. It doesn't even matter what x is. Do you see? It does not matter what x is at all. And you can see that here. Like right here. That coordinate on the y-intercept would be 0, -3. This one right here would be 1, -3. A coordinate way over here, let's say this is -5. This right here would be -5, -3. It doesn't matter what x is. Y is always -3. So that's kind of tricky. But let's move on to today's page 187. That's this one right here. Page 187. Where to go? Number 1 and number 2, A through D. Number 1 and number 2. So here's number 1. It says write down the equation of each line in the diagram. So here's A. You see how it's vertical? That's x equals. So here. So on your homework, you should copy this, right? You got all these lines right here, but for the sake of your time, I'm not going to copy them all right now, and I'm going to write in the book, and I'll go ahead and erase it. So here's A. Do you see how A goes through -4, but it's vertical? That's x equals -4. X equals a number is a vertical line. Now this is not a school's book. This one is mine. If it's y equals a number, it's horizontal. Okay. So that's your first clue. So x equals -4. Now, where's B? B is right here. B goes through 2. That's x equals 2. C is right here. That's y equals 3. That's y equals 3. D. D is right here at the top. That's y equals 7. C. E. Where is E? A, B, C, D. I see F down here. I don't see E. Where is E? Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. It's in black. Man. Oh, that's y equals 3. So this would be C right here. Okay, so I see y equals 2 is C. C is that line, and E is this line. Okay. I see now. And then F was down here, and that is y equals -6. So if it's horizontal, it has a slope of 0. If it's vertical, it has an undefined slope. It doesn't have a slope at all. It's undefined, okay? Okay. So then that's all that A through D. I didn't really have to do E but E or F, but whatever. That was easy. Now, number 2, sketch each of these, right? Sketch each of these. And we had to do A through D, A, B, C, D. So that's 4 of them, right? So that's 4. So let's do that really quick. So number 2 says y equals 3. This is what number 2 says, y equals 3. I would do it just like this. Look, there's my x, there's my y. So I just do 1, 2, 3 right there. Draw your line. Now that's that's number 2a. Number 2b, different graph, okay? It's really important. X equals 3. Otherwise, you're going to get yourself all mixed up. And it doesn't take very long. 1, 2, 3. So, like that. That's x equals 3. And then number 2, part C, y equals -1. There's -1 for y. See what I mean? And then number 2, part D, x equals -1. So that's -1 for x, and it would look just like that right there. That's x equals -1. So that's it. Super, super easy, straightforward, I hope. Let me know how you guys did on that. If you have any questions or issues, gripes, complaints, concerns. Man, I'll talk to you later.